Driving test, downhill parking. Signal right, mirror, shoulder. Get close to the snowbank in this case because it's in winter. So when you have a snowbank, you treat it as if it's, let's say it's downhill with a raised curb. So you pull over, stop close to the curb or a snowbank, apply the parking brake, gear selected to park, and then because it's downhill with or without a curb, you turn the wheel 1 revolution to the right. So 1 complete revolution, so it looks like a clock, then you take your signal off. That's it, done. Now the examiner says, okay, let's go. First step is straighten the steering wheel to the left. Get rid of your parking brake, place the gear selected to drive, signal to the left, check the mirror and the left mirror. Check the rear view mirror and the left outside mirror and the left shoulder. Shoulder check or blind spot, and if it's safe, you drive off in a straight line. Then cancel the signal. Now we're in snow, of course, so you can gently turn your wheel to drift away from the snow. Because remember, half of this road is yours. Okay, so that was downhill parking. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.